In front of me is Motorola Edge 50 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by launching settings and clicking on connected devices right away. Then select connection preferences, click on printing and default print service. Finally, just wait. Your device is looking for a printer. If it finds one, it will connect to it. To use a different service, disable this one, go back, tap on Add Service and install a new one, then use it the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!